Maraming artista at celebrities ang kinakailangan na mapanatili ang kanilang figure at isa sa kanila ay ang kilalang television and film actress na si Aubrey Miles. Isa din si Aubrey Miles sa sinasabing may pinakamagandang katawan sa entertainment industry ngayon. Kwento niya sa kasagsagan ng COVID-19 pandemic na buhay siya sa junk foods at ang JC Organic Barley ang malaking tulong para magbalik siya sa kanyang healthy eating habits.
During the pandemic, I was just eating chips, mga ganyan, puro junky. Tapos sabi ko, okay, sige, I'm gonna have another checkup. My advice is to eat more veggies, mga ganyan, then some specific fruit to eat. And then one of the advice is barley. Then, sabi ko, oh my God, perfect. I think I have barley pa. I like the taste of the powder, so I'll drink more on the powder because I like it, the taste, parang ganun. Because if I'm on a diet, no zero sugar. So, barley is actually a little bit of my sweet, but it's not sweet ha. Actually, barley is not sweet. It's not naman bland. Di naman ganon. Ano lang siya. It's creamy. It's pleasant. I like the taste.
Sabi pa ni Aubrey maging ang kanyang panganay na anak na lalaki na hindi mahilig sa mga gulay ay nagustuhan ang JC Organic Barley.
Si Hunter, my 15 years old, he likes it actually mas konti. Gusto niya concentrated and then with ice. Every morning, sometimes pa I take in the afternoon yung tablet kasi parang feeling ko parang I need more. Ganyan. But now he's taking it. Yung teenager ko, and happy naman siya. Hindi niya alam kung anong nangyayari sa katawan niya. That's the only greens na tinitake niya ngayon kasi hindi siya masyadong ma-veg.
Katulad din niya ang isa pang actress TV host na si Sam Pinto na kilala sa kanyang promotion ng fitness at healthy lifestyles. Sabi niya, nadiskubre niya ang JC Organic Barley nang naghahanap siya ng pangbalanse sa kanyang hectic schedules kasama na ang pagiging housewife at nanay sa isang 2 taong gulang na anak.
You know, it's so funny because I was actually looking for something for my energy because taping is so exhausting. Like, we work 24 hours. Like, my last 2 days was like crazy. Good thing a friend messaged me and he's like, why don't you try this one? And then he told me all about the benefits. I'm like, oh my God, I need this. I need this. So, and then finally I tried it, and you know what? I've tried so many other green juices, and this is actually one of the best tasting ones. Because the others are so hard to drink, like, and too sweet. This one is sobrang saktong sweet lang eh. Hindi siya yung, and it's, oo. And this one is by Stevia, so it's still organic, it's still healthy.
At ang kanyang professional basketball player husband na si Anthony Semerad nalaman ang mga benepisyo sa kalusugan at katawan ng JC Organic Barley sa pamamagitan ng kaibigan. Malaking tulong, sabi ng Filipino-Australian 2018 NCAA Most Valuable Player, ang JC Organic Barley sa kanyang 4 hanggang 6 na oras na basketball practice sa umaga at pag-gym sa hapon. At may energy pa siya para makipaglaro sa kanyang 2-year-old daughter at may quality time sa kanyang misis.
My immune system got stronger, my energy levels improved during practice and going to the weights room. I didn't need a nap anymore. It was really good. I noticed the most for myself. First was energy levels. I take a glass of water with the JC Organic Barley in the morning before practice, before I leave. That's around 6 a.m. I tried actually without taking any caffeine or coffee. Usually halfway through practice, I can start feeling a little tired. For some reason, I had so much more energy. After practice, I would usually take a nap. I didn't need to take a nap anymore. So I went straight to the gym, worked out, and still had enough energy to cook dinner, to play with my kids, spend time with my wife.
Ang broadcast journalist TV host naman na si Paolo Bidjones, sinabi na simple lang ang kanyang buhay, trabaho, negosyo at pamilya. Kwento niya, marami na siyang nasubukan na local and imported food supplements pero sa JC Organic Barley lamang siya talagang na-impress. Taglay niya ang sakit ng psoriasis, isang pangmatagalang kondisyon sa balat.
I was actually pleasantly surprised, number 1, with the taste, number 2, with how fast it dissolves in water, cold water. I love cold drinks, right? When I first tasted it, that's the first thought that came to my mind, like, oh, I can actually do this every day. Try to come up with different concoctions, right? Try to make it into a smoothie and whatever, right? Put in some fruit. It still tastes good. I've been living with psoriasis for the past 30 years, more than half my life. So many things will stress you out, but the key really is to be able to identify what stresses you out and look for solutions. With taking JC Organic Barley, what happens, I guess you could say what it does is that it regulates your mood. It allows you to sleep more. It allows you to be more relaxed. For me, that's very important because when you're doing a lot of things and you're trying to juggle, there will come a point wherein you have to make a decision on which one will I prioritize.
John Scotia, Radyo Inquirer Online. Bayang nagtatanong, mamaya nag-uusisa.
To be honest, I have digestion problems. Totoo yun. Sobrang totoo yun. Very hesitant at first. You know? Dalawang isip talaga ako. But then, when I started taking it, started seeing the benefits, started seeing the effects, hindi na ako nagsisi. So, hello everyone. Okay, nandito ako ngayong gabi. Alam niyo naman po kung bakit. Siyempre, para i-share ang aking barley experience sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, ang pinaka-health concern ko talaga sa barley, kagaya na nakita ninyo sa aking video, to be honest, I have digestion problems. Totoo yun. Sobrang totoo yun. Alam naman natin na ang barley masyadong maraming fiber, no? So, natulungan niya talaga ako na ma-relieve. So, ngayon, regular na ako. Every morning. Yan, that's for sure. Every morning talagang I go. Dati, 2 days, 3 days, constipated. And mahirap yun. We don't want that. Diba? That's also bad for us. So yun. So ako, I'm a busy mom. Bago po ako lumipad dito, sobrang stressful ng schedule ko sa Manila.
Sabi yan!
Pagbalik ko po ng Manila, paalis na po ako bukas. Paglapag ko ng 6, papahinga lang ako. 7 hanggang 12, dire-diretso na po ako. Pero hindi ako nag-worry about my lifestyle, about how I do it, because I have with me, of course, yung barley drink natin.
Wow!
Being a mom of 2 boys, keeping up with my personal life, syempre. So my kids are with me, very active, and I'd like to say na itong barley na to gives me extra energy for the day. I also have sleeping problems. I used to take sleeping pills. Ayan, that I have to be honest. And yung sleeping pills po na tinitake ko is malakas siya talaga. So, now I don't need that anymore. Well, one, syempre of course pagod. But then syempre itong barley did a lot of healthy things for me. If you wanna try, para dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-try, now is the chance to do it. Now is the chance to have that healthy lifestyle, healthy living, healthy mind, healthy body, healthy heart. Uy, ayan, nakakababa din siya ng cholesterol. Just make sure you take your barley drink regularly. Anyway, dumating to, binigyan ako dahil alam nga nung kaibigan ko, I'm constipated. So right there and then, sabi ko, I'll give it another try. Bakit hindi? Diba? So ganun ko siya na-discover. Best taken siya with cold water. For me, with cold water. Yung iba kasi iisipin niyo, ay, umiinom ako ng damo. Diba? Yun naman ang isipin niyo, ay, damo. Yung iba ay nila ng greens. But then of course, JC made it easy for each and every one of you. Sabi nga nila, diba, health is wealth. So yan ang best gift na pwede ninyong ibigay sa inyong mga kaibigan, sa inyong mga kamag-anak, sa inyong mga asawa, ayan, sa mga girlfriend, boyfriend. Okay, and I hope I get to encourage each and every one of you to try. Again, like you guys, I was very hesitant at first. You know? Dalawang isip talaga ako. But then, when I started taking it, started seeing the benefits, started seeing the effects, hindi na ako nagsisi. So once again, I'm Maui Taylor for JC Organic Barley. Pero po sa inyong lahat, cheers to a good lifestyle! Cheers to a healthy lifestyle and you with JC Organic Barley.
Yay!